We are here in Dortmund at the Signal Iduna Park. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. With great anticipation, we're looking forward to the match coming up very shortly. Borussia Dortmund against Barcelona.
Well, what an arena we've got here. Perfectly suited to football and two very noisy sets of fans. What a backdrop that should be to what on paper should be an entertaining match.
Well, we expect Lionel Messi to be the master of the ball and probably the master of the game as well.
Well, he's obviously the man to watch and the man to mark. Interesting how the opposition do try and cope with him. I've seen him man-marked out of a game before, but not many times.
Whoever is the coach of Borussia Dortmund, the passion and the nature and the DNA of this real working man's club is it's special. It's very special indeed.
Well, it's one of my favourite European grounds. You come here on a European night and it's just wonderful. That yellow wall behind the goal, it's a sight to see.
This is the Borussia Dortmund lineup. In goal, Roman Bürki. Mats Hummel starts, looking to continue his good form at the back. Axel Witsel starts with Emre Can in central midfield. And they're starting, interestingly, with three forwards. Barcelona's lineup here. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Clément Lenglet starts with Gerard Piqué in central defence. Arthur starts with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. Luis Suarez is the lone striker today. The waiting is over. The game is off and running, and so are the players. Can. Jadon Sancho. Well, he's got to get rid of the ball quickly here from this ball into the box. Jordi Alba. And now Messi. Lionel Messi. It's Messi. Griezmann. And the referee's not stopped the play. He's playing the advantage for Messi. Sergio Busquets. Barcelona will just be lulling the opposition, I think, a little bit here. Suddenly they'll flick a switch and the ball will go forward into a scoring position. It's a turnover in play. Barcelona moving smartly here. Jordi Alba. Busquets. Arthur! Oh, he's kept it out.
The manager just trying to get his message across down there. They weren't far off taking the lead there. They're playing pretty well.
Dangerous ball in from Messi. There's still danger here after this half clearance. Busquets. Here's De Jong. Now it's De Jong. Good movement from Barcelona, typical of them. It's with De Jong. The defender really putting his body on the line to stop the cross. Jadon Sancho. Break quickly when they get possession. Blocked off the pass there. It's with De Jong. Sergio Roberto. Here's De Jong. Now he wants to take them on. It's Messi. Looked very good indeed, but the move has broken down. Axel Witsel. Achraf Hakimi. Hakimi. Jordi Alba. It's with De Jong. Sergio Busquets. Takes the shot off. And that's no trouble at all for Roman Burki. Well, they want to play from the back, and he's doing just that. Axel Witsel. Emre Can. Well, they use the forward in these positions, dropping deep. He lays it off, and they play from there. Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here to make some progress. Oh, they've got a corner here. It was deflected. Corner now from Royce. Cleared away by the defender. And the pass not completed, really. Going forward well. He's got players helping him here, but he might go alone. Chance for a break in numbers. Trying to thread a pass through, but not successful. Jordi Alba. Sloppy work by Jordi Alba. Messi. Saw the pass coming and got there first. Shots on here. How did he reach that? Brilliant goalkeeping. Can they catch the opposition out with this short corner? It's another corner. Taken by Messi. Piqué. Important challenge now, he must get the ball away. Royce. Saw the direction of the pass. Keeping the ball well under some pressure. Hasn't held it, the goalkeeper.
The visitors having lots of the ball, but I don't think the manager will be happy down there watching this performance. He would have been expecting more, the fans would, and I was. You have to feel that they will step it up sooner or later.
And they're keeping the ball, that's the important thing. Busquets. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition. So easy in possession. Well, he'll want to clear his lines here, but make sure it's a bit more than just hoofing it upfield. Emre Can. Rafael Guerrero. Royce. Emre Can. Witsel. With Rafael Guerrero. One pass away from being a great move. We've got 2 added minutes. That's been signalled now. Now this is where Leo Messi loves to work in the wide areas. Trying to get behind the defenders to get in a good cross. Referee's pointed for a corner for Barcelona, and an opportunity maybe. Played in by Messi. It is a corner that's too close to the goalkeeper. He'll catch them all day. Well, we're halfway through, and we haven't yet got a goal to bring to you. 0-0 at half-time.
Nescafè ti porta l'aroma e il calore di paesi lontani. Gran aroma, dal gusto morbido e pieno. Classic, forte e deciso. Le grandi qualità di caffè Nescafè. È un prodotto Nestlé.
Nothing fits me like my corset. It's the way I wanna go to the sea and the snow, night and day all the way. It's my corset. You don't have to pay and pay to drive a long way. Corset diesel will be fine. You can have a good time. It's me.
Nuova Corsa, nuova diesel.
It's my corset.
Opel, by General Motors.
Sì, Milano, la città dell'amaro Ramazzotti, l'amaro di chi vive e lavora, l'amaro della vita, di una giornata che non è mai finita. Sì, l'amaro Ramazzotti, che è nato qui 170 anni fa e che ancora oggi porta dovunque questa Milano da vivere, da sognare, da godere, questa Milano da bere.
Still great anticipation here as we get ready for the second half. Here's De Jong. It's Messi. It's with De Jong. Piqué. Frankie De Jong. Challenges for the ball. Barcelona awarded the throw here. And this is a good opportunity to put the ball into the penalty area now. Given possession away here. Chan. It's a throw in for Barcelona. One of the backup brigade is going to have a chance centre stage. Sergio Busquets. Here's a chance to just stretch the opposition with a bit of width. Griezmann. Working the opposition over a little bit here with their passing. Well, that had been very promising, but no longer. Emre Can. Trying to find the opening, which would be so crucial. And they've got their new man ready, Barcelona, to make the change. They read the opponent's mind and got the ball. Sergio Busquets. Griezmann. It's with De Jong. Now it's Suarez. You need to be strong to do this, and a good touch. Impressive in possession. Pass turned aside there by the keeper. Sergio Roberto. He can cross it now. That was tight, and the keeper had to be brave to get there. Griezmann. This does look promising. Griezmann. Busquets. Now, can he take them on? Time to get the ball in. Jordi Alba. That's how to tackle. Excellent interception. Luis Suarez. Artur! That's the right kind of football dive to turn the shot away. And in it goes. That's frustrating to the coaches to see a corner there defended at the front post so easily. Royce. Brandt. Marco Royce. Well, here's an opportunity with the ball over the top. Flag's gone up, Alan.
Yeah, and I think it's a good call from the assistant. Just failed to look across the line.
Just a quick check on the clock, and there are 20 minutes to go. Brandt. Rafael Guerrero. Certainly playing well enough to get their noses in front here. Bit of a desperate lunge that, and he's going to get booked for it, I think. For Barcelona, a yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think you could have any complaints about that.
Sliding in and taking his part in the game into a dangerous territory, really.
So often with these tackles, it's the follow-through, isn't it? You may get the ball, but a scissor motion on the player can be nasty. He's normally good from these set plays, and his teammates are expecting a good ball in.
Keeper did well to reach it, but he couldn't keep it. Didn't want to take the extra touch, just volleyed it.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 for courage there.
Piqué. Here's De Jong. Sergio Busquets. Arturo Vidal. And now Messi. Substitution now for Borussia Dortmund. Here's De Jong. He's got players helping him here, but he might go alone. Well, they're happy, the back line, because the flag has come to their rescue, really.
Yeah, it's good organisation between those defenders. Nice straight line.
Piqué puts out a foot to good effect. Piqué. It's with De Jong. Arturo Vidal. Played back. Now he wants to take them on. He's got good support in the middle if he gets his cross in. And on the clock, 8 more minutes. Sergio Busquets. Vidal. It's with De Jong. Griezmann. Nice bit of interplay between these two. Here's De Jong. Sergio Busquets. Arturo Vidal. And now Messi. Busquets usually looks for the pass, but look at him here now, showing a range of talents. Messi. Well, he's won it back. That's a really good tackle. Brandt. Hummels. Marco Royce. Torgan Hazard. Time is against Borussia Dortmund, but there's still life in the match. It only takes a second to score a goal. That's what they'll be thinking. Hazard. Chance for the cross. Brandt. He could take them on here. Royce. Torgan Hazard. It's a good cross. That was a good crossing position, but not a good cross. Well, it's so colourful here. And listen to the sound of it.
Well, you've only got to look and listen. That's more than enough.
Corner played in. Well, that's the way to cope with a corner, isn't it? Coolly bringing the ball down and getting it away. Torgan Hazard. Well, it's called offside. The flag went up.
Well, the opposition pushed up. They were defending a high line there, taking a chance. Yeah, the linesman's got it right there. Just went a fraction early.
Luis Suarez. Trying so hard to... Well, the two sides unable to separate themselves after 90 minutes.